Yesterday, gold created a bearish pin bar right at the resistance level 3658.36. Our resistance has been retraced back down the price all the way down around here, around 3620.27. We can see that the price had a large wick on the upper side. There is no wick on the lower side, which means there was pulling pressure pushing the price higher above this area of resistance. But then the supply zone where the sellers are waiting here, they have pushed the price, returning the price back down. We can see on the 4-hour time frame how the price has behaved yesterday. Since yesterday, we can see the price was rising in value from here 3632.00, currently acting as a support level. The price is rising in the value, reaching the resistance level 3658.36, then finally trying to make a bullish breakout. Then the price suddenly moved down with a strong bearish candle, where this candle is bearish engulfing candle, engulfing three previous candles body. We can see that here, and then reaching this area of support and stopping here. The price was trying to move further down with this bearish candle, where the price has formed a bearish breakout, and we can see the price is open with a gap in the midnight, where the price currently are trying to return back up. What we can see on the 1-hour time frame since yesterday, we can see how the price has behaved. The price started from the morning, we can see that here, making a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, then continued to rise in value, reaching the daily resistance level. From here, the price retraced back down, could not make a bearish breakout, going further down back inside the small range area, but then bouncing up and down for several hours, and then this bullish breakout that has been happening in the afternoon, the price has pushed the price up, and then the price has returned suddenly back down. We can see a strong bearish candle that has been formed here right at 3671.72, a resistance level. The price returned back down all the way, then currently forming a bullish pin bar right at support level, indicating that potentially the price could return back up, but then the bearish momentum has pushed the price even further down. The price stopped at 3620.44. We can see that support level, returning the price back up, and then bouncing up and down for several hours. And we can see the price is currently formed a bullish breakout about 3632.00, indicating that the price could retrace back up again, very close to 3641.84. Now we can see the price is currently at the range area where the price started yesterday, from this small range area between this resistance and the support level. So the price is currently at the same position where it is yesterday. What we can expect today, what we can expect that the price could do. First of all, we need to see where the price will go regarding the support resistance level. This is the support that is very important, and this is the resistance level that is also very important, together with the daily. Because when the price makes a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, the price will try eventually to reach again this area of resistance, and if the price makes a bearish breakout below this area of support 3632.00, the price will come again to this area of support 3620.44. Now after that, when the price reaches this critical resistance level and this support level, we need to see how the price will behave. Will it retrace back up or retrace back down, returning back inside this small range area, or it will make a bullish breakout or bearish breakout. Now for the 1 hour time frame, currently it is in decision range area where the price is bouncing up and down until the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout. On the 4-hour time frame, what we can see, it is currently indicating a slightly more bearish momentum because of these strong two bullish candles that has been formed yesterday. And what we can see, the price is currently trying to return back up, but we will see how the price behaves. It's very important to see the price returning back above 3642.22. This is a small resistance level where the price needs to return, and we can see this is just on the 1 hour time frame 3641.84. You can see it is a very important resistance level. If it makes bullish breakout above that on the 4-hour time frame, it will indicate that the price has found enough strength to push the price again above this area of resistance. Now if the price returns back down on the 4-hour time frame below this area of support, indicating which means the price returns back below this area of support 3620, this will indicate further decline in value, where the price could reach first of all this one here 3613 price level, and after that potentially even further down to 3597.17. So for now, On the daily time frame, we can see it is a bearish pin bar, but the pin bar is not located at the precise level I would like to see, which means right here at the resistance level. This is the body, this is the wick, so there is a space for the price to move up and down, up and down. But also have in mind that this is first time reached the daily resistance, which means this daily resistance could be changed in the future when we see price touching more of these price levels. If the price continues to touch this price level here around 3635 for several days, could not close, this will be a new resistance level on the daily time frame, which means around this one here around 3632 would be the next daily resistance level, or we have here on the 1 hour time frame that could be 3641.84. Now we can see that this one here is 3635, very close to 3641 I have mentioned, which is right here. So we'll see how the price behaves around this area of resistance, and also where the price will stop at the support level, marking it as a support level. If there is nothing here, the price will try to reach this area of 3572.79. So for now, I'm still waiting outside to see how the price will behave on the 1 hour time frame. Currently, I have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis that I'm expecting the price will try to reach this area of resistance. So feel free to check the link below in the description to join other traders to receive these premium updates. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.